In this challenge review, we'll take a look at how to update the clock. Let's open our script. We need to define the text variable. So here we're going to actually create a variable to store that text object. And as a text mesh here. And once we do that, we'll define a new object for the text. We will serialize this so that we can actually assign it via the inspector. We could also use void start to dynamically find it, but I'm going to go ahead and do it in the inspector here. Once we find the text object, we need the text off of it, the text mesh. Now we have it, and then now we can access the property text. So we can say, hey, this is the underscore text.text basically to grab it. So now that we have the text object, what do we need to do? Well, we need to get the local time, which we get right here. And then we no longer need to debug it, but we need the formatting. We still need the formatting here because we need to, this is how we're gonna format it onto our string. And essentially what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the current text value, which is just 000 of our text object, and we're gonna set it equal to local time.toString, and we're gonna include the formatting. Just like that. So toString, the format, and if we save this, it should print out the current time of 10:08 a.m. And as time continues and it updates, it should update in real time. And you'll see here that it's a little shifted weirdly, but let's see if we can actually fix and adjust how it should look. I don't know if there's any settings in the time text mesh here that we can modify to make it look a little better. The anchor is the middle. And it looks like we could just bring it back and down, honestly. And there we go. So it is 10:08 a.m. and that is absolutely correct. I am going to let the video just run for a second longer here just so that we can actually see it update in real time. Because remember, this is actually running in void update, which is getting called 60 frames per second. And there we go. In real time, it is now 10:09. That wraps this up. I'll see you in the next one.